Namaste everyone. Namah Suryaya, Chandraya, Mangalaya Budaya cha, Guru Shukra Shanibhyascha, Rahuve Ketave Namaha. We are planting the sapling at Sri Ravi Shankar Ashram at the foothills of Chamundi Hills at Mysore. We are doing Navagraha Vana there.
I am Atharva.
This is for sun, Surya, Yakadagida or milkweed plant.
Hi, I am Sanvi.
This is Muttuga or Chandragraha.
I am Mahalya.
Budagraha, Uttarani, Apamarga plant.
I am Atharva.
This is for Guru Graha, people tree or Arali Ashwattamara.
I am Advik.
This is for Shukra Graha, fig or Audumbara Vriksha.
Sanvi.
This is for Shami Vriksha for Saturn, Shani Graha.
I am Advik again.
This is for Rahu, Garike. This is for Ketu, Darbe. Vata Vriksha, which represents Dakshinamurti. Namaste.